I'm demonstrating a Copenhagen plank and how to do it on a bench, but you can also do this at home on a coffee table with a pillow or a couch. And there are many different ways to do it, but you can get into it by placing your leg on top of the surface. So the further away that you put your leg, so let's say if we started at our ankle and our elbow in this side plank position, that's going to be the most work I'm going to do on my adductor. So I'd recommend starting with a shorter lever and then set up like you would for any other side plank, making sure that your ribs are stacked with your pelvis. You don't want to be overarched or tucked in too much. Then from there, I'm going to press through my top leg into a side plank. If that is too much, you're going to drop your knee. And one more progression from that, if this is all too much for the adductor in your core, you'll know because you're losing your breath or you're having some pain in the groin or the back, is you can come into a side plank and you can lift that front leg while still pressing through that back adductor portion. So see if you can hold that for about 10 seconds and work your way up to 30 to 60 seconds.